Need a fresh start for 2025? Discover the magic of Solai Coffee in your daily routine. Start your day with a warm cup of Solai Coffee. Savor the aroma and enjoy a peaceful moment. This simple act grounds you, setting a positive tone for the day. After your coffee, step outside and connect with nature. A walk around the block or time in your garden can truly refresh your soul. Don't forget to compost those coffee grounds. For a nourishing snack, blend Solai coffee with banana, oats, or almond milk. Delicious and energizing. Invigorate your skin with a coffee scrub shower. The caffeine energizes, leaving your skin soft and smooth. Light a coffee-scented candle, play soothing music and journal your thoughts. Create a calm atmosphere and cultivate gratitude. End your day with a warm bath or a good book, disconnecting from screens. Embrace peaceful moments before bed. Start 2025 mindfully with Solai Coffee. Cheers to a refreshing year ahead.